don't care. I won't last a day in here, I'm sure.
Well, cheer up, man. It's not that bad. You'll see. You might even come in handy.
Oh, don't get your hopes up. I'm not gonna be your stand-in super hot chick love doll.
That won't be necessary.
How did you end up in here anyway?
I told you. We're all innocent here. Monster.
Wait a minute, what did you just say?
No, nothing. I'm just not sure how to take all this.
What do you mean?
Well, you see, I got arrested for killing someone.
Wow, what did he do? Did he steal something from you? Did he poison you with fish?
I don't know, man. It's all kind of a blur. I was hitting the macadamia nut drinks pretty hard, and the next thing you know, I ripped the guy to shreds with my claws.
So, who was the poor bastard? Do I know him?
Better than most.
Oh, man. You Ginzu'd Matt? Homeboy can't get a break from the kitchen utensils. God.
I'm not talking about Matt. I'm talking about you.
What? Okay, Charlie, you're starting to freak me out here.
Easy, dude. I'm not threatening you or anything. I'm not really sure what happened. I was just wasted. But I do remember dismembering that bastard. And I also remember he deserved it. All I'm saying is that the guy looked exactly like you. Now, I know that. In fact, I was sure it was you until I saw you in here. But anyway, let bygones be bygones, right?
Yeah. So, what do you guys do for fun around here?
Well, not much. I barely leave my cell. But if you want some entertainment, you can try the yard. Maybe they're having a spitting contest. Or ask the sisters. Those guys really like partying and stuff.
Oh, what is this? Are you digging a tunnel?
That depends. Do you want to use it?
Well, I wouldn't mind, yeah. You know I'm not the type that's gonna flourish in a prison environment.
Look, if you want to come with, that's okay. But it'll cost ya. You want out, you gotta earn it.
I told you, I'm not gonna be the substitute for your...
I said that's not it. I need a favor. If you take this seriously and help me, I swear to you we'll get out of here.
Okay, what do you need exactly?
Well, getting something like this in prison won't be easy, but maybe you can get some help.
Come on, spit it out. What is it?
Okay, I won't beat around the bush. I need some explosives.
Explosives? Who do you think I am, MacGyver?
Oh, come on, man. I'm digging the tunnel with my adamantium claws. The walls are weak, so that's not a problem. The thing is that I'm about to reach Sector 7, and it's protected by a reinforced concrete wall. And I'm afraid that up against something like that, my claws are useless.
Yeah, speaking of claws, how the hell did you manage to sneak them in here?
Oh, that. Each prisoner is allowed to keep one item that has some sentimental value, as long as you promise not to murder your inmates with it.
Ooh, I like that rule.
What did you keep?
Me? Well, looks like a stupid tape measure, apparently. I would have preferred that Korean portable console, the one with the electric shocks, you know?
I see. Well, don't let me hold you up. Go find me some explosives.
Oh, come on, Charlie. How am I gonna get explosives in jail? I probably got a better shot at finding a Playboy bunny.
Maybe. But as you can see, we're in prison, and I'm digging an escape tunnel with my retractable claws, which are made of adamantium. At least that's what I tell everybody. And if there's anything I've learned from comic books, it's never to give up.
Well, that and plagiarizing adamantium claws.
Hey, what are you insinuating?
Nothing. Let's go back to that explosives thing. Any idea where I should start?
Well, you could try to build them yourself. Or maybe Sleazy can help you out. He's very good at getting all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, sorry, but I think I was sick the day they taught us how to build C4 at school.
Don't be so negative. I don't know. Just ask around or go to the library. Enlighten yourself, Randal, for God's sake.
I'll see what I can do. Great. This is just great. Psst. Psst. Charlie.
Randal, go find me some explosives. I'll be waiting here. If you look hard enough, something will turn up.
All right, but I'm not promising anything. just keep the pillowcase and leave the pillow. I'll just keep the pillowcase and leave the pillow.
That'll teach her not to complain about my food.
Great.
The boys always go fishing, the first-timers, and they don't quit till they reel someone in.
Well, good morning, gentlemen.
Well, well, what do we have here? Fresh fish?
I don't like the sounds of that. No, I'm not fresh fish.
Hey guys, looks like we got a live one here. Think you're some kind of hero, kid?
Well, hero's a bit much. Let's just say main character.
That's right, kid. You're the main character of our dreams. Although they'll be more like nightmares to you. Well, at least I hope so.
Yeah, I'm on my way to the library, so if you'll excuse me.
No way. We're really enjoying your company. Come on, come closer.
You know, at first I really thought you guys were some kind of skinheads or something, but now I realize you guys are very loving people. I mean, I respect that, you know, but I prefer the gratifying wisdom that you get from library books. So, if you don't mind...
Oh, but we do mind. If you want to get in there, first you have to feel our love. But I warn you, we believe in tough love.
I better get out of here.
Wise decision.
I must admit, I didn't think much of Randy first time I laid eyes on him. Looked like a stiff breeze could blow him over. That was my first impression of the man.
Hey, kid, come here a second.
Did I do something wrong?
You the new guy, right?
Well, new guy sounds better than old guy.
It depends on the context. To me, old sleazy sounds way better than new corpse in the showers. Relax, kid, I'm not dangerous. People here need me, so they don't mess with me. You're the one needs to be watching his back. There are a lot of people in here who don't like your kind.
My kind?
Yeah, you know. Why you got thrown in here?
And why was that? Because it could be anything for all I know.
You don't know what you did?
Honestly, no.
Wow, man, you're even sicker than I thought. I just got goosebumps.
And what did I do?
Hey, I'm not judging anybody. You can go around mugging people naked at the mall for all I care.
Is that why you're here?
Touche.
Let's get to the point. I've heard some things about you. Are they true?
Ha! Well, all good, I trust.
I hear you can get things for people in here.
Your first day here and you need my help already? Come on, kid. One step at a time.
I need a hand getting a few things, and everybody told me you're my guy.
You don't say. And what do you need exactly?
I need a lot of things. Getting me the hell out of here is one of them.
I can get you anything you want, but I'm afraid you'll have to be a little more specific.
So it's that easy?
Yeah, but it'll take one day. I can get you anything you want, but not till tomorrow.
Oh, don't do this to me.
I could even get you a tank.
A tank?
Yeah, a tank. You want a tank? What? You don't believe me?
No, it's not that.
Because I could get you a tank just like that.
I believe you, man.
Sleazy's word is his bond. If I tell you I can get you a tank, then tomorrow you'll have your tank.
I don't want a stupid tank.
Did you just say my tank is stupid?
Huh? No, I just don't need one.
Sorry, too late. Order's already been placed. You'll have your tank tomorrow.
Okay, but I also need other stuff and I need it today.
Then I can't help you. Is that all?
Yeah, that's all it's taken to really piss me off. Are you chewing on a whole pack of gum or what?
2, actually. Nicotine gum. I'm trying to quit smoking, but I'm not doing very good. This calms me down, sorta. And you should calm down as well. You'll have your tank by tomorrow.
Okay. Wow, you too? God, almost all my friends are here.
Do I know you, rookie?
Sure. I don't think so.
What is it then, newbie? Have we met or not?
Well, not quite. Let's just say I know Mel. You know, the guy you used to steal from... you used to be his supplier, right?
Ah, good old Mel. Yeah, sure. Did you hear about him?
Not really, but the last time I saw him, he was loaded on mercury cola.
Well, you were lucky you didn't run into him a little later.
Well, I'm in jail, so I don't consider myself all that lucky. But anyway, what happened to Mel?
The guy hijacked a train from the Schaefer line, but he was so damn out of it, he derailed the thing. Don't ask me how, but there were a lot of injured, including Mel. The line's still closed.
Wow, I used to ride that train every day.
Yeah, you know what the best part is? The guy wasn't even armed or nothing. He just put on a Ghostbusters proton pack. Scared the shit out of everybody.
That's amazing. So, do you have a moment to talk business?
What is it, rookie?
I was just wondering if, Nah, I don't think this is for you.
Hey, spit it out, dumbass.
I'm sorry, I think I got the wrong guy.
I could see why some of the boys took him for snobby. He had a quiet way about him, a walk and a talk that just wasn't normal around here. He strolled like a kid in a video game store without a care or a worry, like he had on an invisible coat that would shield him from this place. Yes, I think it would be fair to say I liked Randy from the start.
Hello, guys. I'm the rookie.
Good. You're just the man we need.
I'm not sure I'm gonna like this.
Relax. You can trust us, rookie. Right, guys? Right.
Most of the times.
Yeah, whatever. We heard some nasty shit about you, brother. People be talking like you're some kind of all-out monster. Is that true?
If that's gonna make life easier in here, then yes, it is. I'm the monster.
Well put, monster. And your name is?
Hicks. Randal Hicks.
Randy the Rookie. I like you, man. Come play with us. We're training for the interpenitentiary spitting contest. Come on, show us what you got.
God, again with the Randy. No thanks. I don't feel like it right now.
Hey. Whoa.
Ah.
Randy. I didn't say play with us if you want, but you're new in here, so I'll let it pass this once. But now, spit.
Okay, here we go.
That's it? Tell me that was just a test.
That was just a test.
That all you got? Come on, try again.
All right, if you insist.